In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson Stylus Pro 7800 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson Stylus Pro 7800 support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best matches should come back with the Epson Stylus Pro 7800. There's also a professional Epson Stylus Pro, so you have a different version of the printer. There should be a picture on the printer page itself. You may need to just check that out, but generally speaking, it should be the same page for both of these. It appears it actually does redirect you to the professional edition regardless, which is kind of interesting here. I'll just check out the other one just to see what we have here. They appear to be slightly different printers. You can compare the model number on your printer to the support page just to confirm which printer you have. You can see that they're different here. So regardless, just want to scroll down. The process should be the same for both printers, by the way. You want to select the operating system from the drop-down and select your version of Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and then select Go. And then scrolling down again, expand the Utilities section, and you want to select the Epson Net Config utility. Go ahead and download that item, and then open it up once it's on your system. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. This file contains the Epson Net Config utility. Click OK to continue. Select OK, and then proceed with the installer like you would any normal application, and then that should be a pretty straightforward process, pretty intuitive there, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.